everyone, welcome to my UPSC. Recently in these days we are discussing UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination previous year MCQs. We have already discussed ancient, medieval, modern history and geography of India and world. टाइटल से आपको पता लग गया होगा कि आज इकोनॉमिक्स के जो प्रीवियस ईयर के एमसीक्यूज है वो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हम। अगर आप हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी के जो ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड वीडियोज हैं वो चेक करना चाहते हैं, वो देखना चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहाँ जाके उनको देख सकते हैं। और प्लीज़ इफ़ यू लाइक देन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। ये पार्ट फर्स्ट है इकोनॉमी का। इसके बाद इकोनॉमिक्स के 2-3 पार्ट्स और नेक्स्ट कमिंग डेज में आने वाले हैं। देन साइंस एंड टेक, पॉलिटी, ये सेक्शन और अभी बचा हुआ है, वो भी आपको इनके बाद में देखने को मिलेंगे। तो आप एक बार सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि आपको टाइमली नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। लेट्स बिगिन। Question number first. According to the 1991 census, the highest percentage of population in India is to be found in the age group of 1991 की पॉपुलेशन में किस एज ग्रुप की पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा थी 1991 की सेंसस के अकॉर्डिंग? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 5 to 14 years. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Increase in monetary expansion, this one is correct pair. Low import growth rate in India, recession in Indian industry, this one is also correct. Euro issues shares held by Indian companies in European countries, this one is not correct. Portfolio investment, foreign institutional investors, this one is correct. So फर्स्ट वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। एक्चुअली ये थर्ड ऑप्शन सही नहीं है, बिकॉज इंडियन कंपनीज नहीं है यहाँ पे, अमेरिकन डिपॉजिटरी हैं, इंडियन नहीं है। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग द जवाहर रोजगार योजना? Question is asking true, correct answer. So it was launched during the prime ministership of Indira Gandhi, this one is incorrect. It aims at creating 1 million job annually, this one is also incorrect. The target group of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana are the urban poor living below the poverty line, this one is incorrect. Under the scheme 30% of the employment generated is reserved for women, this one is true. Next one, the Narasimhan Committee for Financial Sector Reforms has suggested reduction in. So देखिए नरसिम्हन कमेटी 1991 में रिफॉर्म्स कमेटी बनी थी एंड व्हाट आर द सजेशंस? दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, बी। कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स क्या है? कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स इज ए डायरेक्ट टैक्स लेविड, कलेक्टेड एंड appropriated by the union or the central government. No part of this tax can be assigned to the states. So corporate tax is totally central government tax. This one is correct answer. One of the reasons for India's occupational structure remaining more or less the same over the years has been that investment pattern has been directed towards capital intensive industries, because our economic planners are not emphasizing development of small scale industries in their plan strategy during 90s. They plan their strategies for not for small industries. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेन रीजन फॉर द लो ग्रोथ रेट इन इंडिया इन स्पाइट ऑफ हाई रेट ऑफ सेविंग एंड कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज। सो द लो ग्रोथ रेट बिकॉज ऑफ हाई कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो। और ये एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, इट एक्सप्लेन्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लेवल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड द करस्पॉन्डिंग इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ। लोअर कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो शोज प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ कैपिटल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। Which one of the following is correct regarding stabilization and structural adjustment as two component of the new economic policy adopted in India? So stabilization is a gradual multiple step process while structural adjustment is a quick adoption process. This one is correct one, and this new economic policy was adopted in 1991. One of the important goals of the economic liberalization policy is to achieve full convertibility of Indian rupee. This is being advocated because it will attract more foreign capital inflow in India. That's why this is being advocated. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and other are reason. So there is no relation between the proportion of population of India living below the poverty line and increase in India's national income as per this question. दोनों सही है, but R is not a correct explanation of A. ये redistribution of income in a country can be best brought about through, it can be best brought through the progressive taxation combined with regressive expenditure. As per the 1991 census, the average size of household in terms of number of persons per household in respect of the given states follows the sequence. Sequence is highest first, then lowest, high to low. As per 1991 census. So the correct sequence will be Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat and Kerala. Human Development Index comprises literacy rate, life expectancy at birth, and HDI or Human Development Index measures achievement in terms of life expectancy, literacy and adjusted real income. And what is the adjusted real income? That is the standard of living. फर्स्ट जो HDR है ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट की इंडेक्स कैलकुलेशन वर मेड इन 1990 बाय महबूब उल हक. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. In India, inflation is measured by WPI, होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर. ये असर्शन रीजन के क्वेश्चन बहुत कम आते हैं, अब इतने नहीं आते, पहले ज़्यादा आते थे. और एक चीज़ और बताना चाहूँगा कि अब जो ट्रेंड है 2015 के बाद से न्यू एनसीईआरटी आप प्रिफेयर कीजिए, ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी को चाहे तो छोड़ दीजिए. न्यू एनसीईआरटी के ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं एग्जाम में, आपको न्यू एनसीईआरटी पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए. कुछ कोचिंग्स या जो पुराने प्लेयर्स हैं वो आपको ये ज़रूर बताते हैं, ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी को रिकमेंड करते हैं, बट आई रिकमेंड न्यू एनसीईआरटी. और ये आपको आगे क्वेश्चंस में देखने को मिलेगा कि न्यू एनसीईआरटी से आ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन। मैं आपको आप कमेंट कर दीजिए, मैं आपको चैप्टर नंबर भी बता दूंगा किस चैप्टर में किस स्टैंडर्ड की एनसीईआरटी की बुक से आया है। National income is a, what is national income? National income is the money value of all the final goods and services produced in an economy during a financial year. At the level of an economy, value of final goods and services is equal to the total income of all factors of production, जैसे कि labor, capital, land, enterprises, etc. So the correct answer is second one, net national product at factor cost. The minimum alternative tax was introduced in the budget of the government of India for the year MAT, minimum alternative tax. It was introduced in the budget of 1996 to 7. This one is correct answer. कमेटी एंड द चेयरमैन मैच करना है। सो डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स इन पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेज, दिस वन इज एसोसिएटेड विथ सी रंगराजन। इंडस्ट्रियल सिकनेस इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ओमकार गोस्वामी। टैक्स रिफॉर्म is associated with Raja Chelaiya. Reforms in insurance sector, R.N. Malhotra. B is the right answer. What is the correct sequence of the descending orders of the following states in respect of female literacy rate as per 2001 की सेंसस के अकॉर्डिंग? सो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करेक्ट सीक्वेंस होगा फर्स्ट केरला, देन मिजोरम, गोवा, देन नागालैंड। आपको क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पूछना है, असेंडिंग, डिसेंडिंग, करेक्ट, इनकरेक्ट, इसलिए आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़ना है। द कैपिटल अकाउंट कन्वर्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द इंडियन रूपी implies, the capital account convertibility means free conversion of cross border capital flows, and an entity can convert domestic currency into hard currency at the prevailing market rate and take hard currency out of the country without the need of offering an explanation. That is this one. C is the correct answer. A consumer is said to be in equilibrium if he is able to fulfill his needs with a given level of income. That is said to be in equilibrium. The supply side economics lays greater emphasis on the point of view of producer. Human Poverty Index was introduced in the Human Development Report of the year HDI. It was introduced in 1997. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है, अभी हमने इस क्वेश्चन को किया है पिछले पेज में। अभी ये क्वेश्चन हम अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले डिस्कस किए हैं HDI का 1996 to 97। तो ये रिपीट हुआ है। यूपीएससी में प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन आप अच्छे से कर लेते हैं तो 10 to 15% पेपर आप इजीली कर सकते हैं सिविल सर्विसेज प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम में। द करंट प्राइस इंडेक्स बेस इज 1960 इज नियरली 330. दिस मीन्स दैट द प्राइस ऑफ Weighted means of price, certain item has increased 3.3 times. CPI is 330, it means the price of certain item has increased 3.3 times. Devaluation of a currency may promote export. Price of the country's product in the international market may fall due to devaluation. So both these are correct. Fiscal deficit is greater than budgetary deficit. Fiscal deficit is the borrowing from the Reserve Bank of India plus other liabilities of the government to meet its expenditure. Actually budget deficit क्या होता है? Budget deficit is equal to total receipt minus total expenditure. और फिजिकल डिफिसिट क्या होता है? फिजिकल डिफिसिट इज द सम ऑफ द बजट डिफिसिट प्लस बोरोइंग एंड अदर लाइबिलिटीज. हेंस फिजिकल डिफिसिट इज ग्रेटर देन बजट डिफिसिट. सो बोथ दीज स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. Persons below the poverty line in India are classified as such based whether they are entitled to minimum prescribed food basket. This one is correct. Which one of the following statement regarding the levying, collecting and distribution of income tax is correct? Income tax is levied and collected by union government or the central government and distributed between center and state government. First one is the correct answer. Among which one of the following sets of social religious group in the extent of poverty the highest as per government statistics for the 90s? ये 90s की प्रीलिम्स में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, उसी टाइम का स्टेटमेंट है. So according to the recent data made available by Central Statistical Organization, the incidence of poverty is highest in tribes of Bihar, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. This one is the correct answer. The first Indian state to have its Human Development Report prepared and released by Amartya Kumar Sen in Delhi is. So Madhya Pradesh was the first state to have calculated HDR in 1995 under the guidance of Professor Amartya Sen. In an open economy, the national income of the economy is CIGXM, stand for consumption, investment, government expenditure, total export and total import respectively. So the open economy, the national income of the economy is the national income Y is equal to the sum of consumption, investment and government expenditure plus difference of total export and total import, X minus M, और यहाँ आ जाएगा C plus I plus G. So correct answer is C. Match the list first with second. is business activity at a high level with increasing income, output and employment at micro level. This one is correct. First. Recession, gradual fall of income, output and employment with business activity in a low gear. This one is right. Depression, depression is unprecedented level of underemployment and unemployment, drastic fall in income, output and employment. This one is correctly matched. Recovery, so all these are correctly matched. Indian Human Development Report does not give for each sample village. The National Human Development Report 2001 is an attempt to map the state of human development in India while considering the state of human development and the related economy, educational and health attainments. The report analyzed governance for human development to facilitate monitoring many process indicators that have been created also, and the human development index, gender disparity index, human development and the human poverty index, these have been calculated for India after modifying the UNDP methodology. So consider the following statements about the mega cities of India. Mega cities of India have more than 5 million population. This one is correct. Mega cities are either national or state capital. Yes. So स्टेटमेंट चेक करते हैं इसके. नेक्स्ट, this one is correct. Which one of the following ports of India handles the highest tonnage of important cargo? सो हाईएस्ट इज इंपोर्ट, कार्गो इंपोर्ट का हाईएस्ट कांडला पोर्ट है. आंसर which one of the following statements is false? All countries other than India have over 80% literacy. This one is no, this statement is correct. Malaysia and Korea have life expectancy higher than all other countries. This one is correct. Question is asking false. Higher the adult literacy, lower is the infant mortality. This one is correct. The life expectancy at birth in India is almost the same as that of Indonesia. This one is incorrect. Because according the life expectancy at birth in India is not same as that of Indonesia. In India have 62 and Indonesia is 64. The most appropriate measure of economic growth is its most appropriate is per capita real income. Match the terms with explanation. Fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is excess of total expenditure over total receipt less borrowing. So third one. Budget deficit. Budget deficit is excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipt. First one. Revenue deficit, it is excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipt. and primary deficit, it is excess of total expenditure over total receipt less borrowing and internal payments. This one is the correct answer. Consider the following taxes. Corporation tax, custom duty, wealth tax and excise duty, which are indirect taxes. So indirect taxes are the charges that are levied on goods and services. Some of the significant indirect taxes include VAT है, value added tax, CST, central sales tax, central excise duty, custom duty, stamp duty, expenditure tax, property tax, corporation tax, wealth tax are the एग्जाम. प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स, कॉरपोरेशन टैक्स एंड जो वेल्थ टैक्स हैं ये तो होते हैं डायरेक्ट टैक्स. बाकी जो वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स है, सेंट्रल सेल टैक्स है, सेंट्रल एक्साइज है, कस्टम है, ये होते हैं इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. और एक्सपेंडिचर टैक्स. सो द कस्टम ड्यूटी एंड वेल्थ टैक्स, कस्टम ड्यूटी एंड वेल्थ टैक्स ये इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स की बात कर रहा. तो इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स में हो जाएगा सेंट्रल सेल्स टैक्स, एक्साइज भी इनडायरेक्ट में आता है, एंड कॉरपोरेशन टैक्स डायरेक्ट टैक्स है, और वेल्थ टैक्स भी डायरेक्ट टैक्स है. सो सेकंड और फोर्थ करेक्ट आंसर है. सेकंड एंड फोर्थ इज द करेक्ट आंसर. यहाँ से कुछ मिसिंग है, तो यहाँ जिस भी ऑप्शन में सेकंड और फोर्थ होगा वो करेक्ट होगा. द टर्म नेशनल इनकम रिप्रेजेंट्स. नेशनल इनकम रिप्रेजेंट ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट मार्केट प्राइसेस माइनस डिप्रेसिएशन एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस प्लस सब्सिडीज. This one is true, but this one is false. The prices at which the government purchase food grains for maintaining the public distribution system and for building up buffer stock is known as. So it is known as procurement prices. देखिए जितने भी क्वेश्चन यहाँ डिस्कस हो रहे हैं उन सब क्वेश्चंस का आपको PDF मिल जाएगा. वो उसका लिंक PDF डाउनलोड करने का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में नीचे मिल जाएगा. ना सिर्फ इकोनॉमिक्स का बल्कि जो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं एंशिएंट, मिडाइवल, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री एंड जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड, ये पांचों ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं पार्ट्स. एंड ये जो इकोनॉमी का अब हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इसका भी आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में PDF डाउनलोड करने का लिंक मिल जाएगा. और हाँ, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. आप देख तो रहे हैं लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं. With reference to power sector in India, consider the following statements. Rural electrification has been treated as a basic minimum service under the Prime Minister's Gramoday Yojana. So this one is, question is asking correct. This one is correct. 100% foreign direct investment in power is allowed without upper limit. This one is also correct. The Union Ministry of Power has signed a memoranda of understanding with 14 states. So this one is incorrect because this one is incorrect. with reference to Indian public finance, consider the following statements. And question is asking correct one. External liabilities reported in the union budget are based on historical exchange rate. This one is incorrect. The continued high borrowing has kept the real interest rate high in the economy. This one is correct. The upward trend in the ratio of fiscal deficit of GDP in recent years has an adverse effect on private investment. This one is also correct. The interest payment is the single largest component of the non-planned revenue expenditure of the union government. This one is also correct. C is the right answer. Consider the following statements. Full convertibility of the rupee means. ये क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट हो रहा है, ये क्वेश्चन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, ये रिपीट हुआ है. हम जो फुल कन्वर्टेबिलिटी है, कैपिटल अकाउंट कन्वर्टेबिलिटी, इट मीन्स फ्री कन्वर्जन ऑफ क्रॉस बॉर्डर कैपिटल फ्लो implies that anybody can convert domestic currency into hard currency at the market rate and take the hard currency out of the country. ये हम अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Consider the following statements. In India, stamp duties on financial transactions are. Question is asking correct one. Levied and collected by the state government. This is incorrect. Appropriated by the union government. This one is also incorrect. So both these statements are incorrect because stamp duty is a form of tax that is levied on documents. It is levied on by the union or the central government and collected and appropriated by the state government. So ये वाइस वर्सा रिवर्सिबल दे रखा है इसका, ये इस ए का बी का ए में कर रखा है, जोड़ रखा है एक दूसरे को, सो दोनों गलत है. Which one among the following states has the highest female literacy rate as per census 2001? Highest female literacy rate छत्तीसगढ़. अप्रोक्सीमेट 52% था उस टाइम छत्तीसगढ़ का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द टास्क फोर्स ऑन डायरेक्ट टैक्स अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ डॉक्टर विजय एल केलकर इन द ईयर 2002? दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. As per 1991 census, which one of the following groups of union territories had the highest literacy rate? 1991 की census के according Pondicherry and Delhi had the highest literacy rate and Pondicherry have 75.3 and Delhi 74.7. Consider the following statement as per 2001 census. And question is asking correct one. The two states with the lowest sex ratio are Haryana and Punjab. Correct one. The two states with the lowest population per square kilometer of area are Meghalaya and Mizoram. This one is incorrect. Kerala has both the highest literacy rate and sex ratio. This one is correct. So first and third are correct. Because this one is not Mizoram, this one is Arunachal Pradesh. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements are correct? Poverty reduction and growth facility has been established by the International Development Association to provide further assistance to low income countries facing high level of indebtedness. This one is incorrect. Singapore Regional Training Institute is one of the institutes that provides training in macroeconomics analysis and policy and related subject as a part of IMF Institute program. This one is correct one. Which one of the following statements is correct? फिजिकल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड बजट मैनेजमेंट एक्ट, इसके कंसर्न में कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? एक्चुअली फिजिकल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड बजट मैनेजमेंट एक्ट एम्स टू ब्रिंग डाउन फिजिकल डिफिसिट टू 3% बाय 2008 एंड द रेवेन्यू डिफिसिट टू 0 बाय 2008. सो दोनों के बोथ फिजिकल एंड रेवेन्यू डिफिसिट. Which one of the following is the correct sequence in the decreasing order? Decreasing order मतलब ज़्यादा से कम. Of the contribution of different sectors to the gross domestic product of India. So द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर विल बी नेशनल इनकम के है जो डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स की. सर्विसेज में 55%, देन इंडस्ट्री अप्रोक्सीमेट 26%, एग्रीकल्चर अप्रोक्सीमेट 18 to 19%. सो फर्स्ट वन सर्विस, देन इंडस्ट्री, देन एग्रीकल्चर. फर्स्ट वन. Participatory notes are associated with which one of the following? These are associated with FII, foreign institutional investors. Which of the following pairs about India's economic indicator and agricultural production correctly matched? So this one is correct, this one is incorrect. First and third are correct. Actually rice production was approximate 97 million in 2007-8. Consider the following statements with reference to Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. All persons of 60 years or above belongs to the household below poverty line in rural area are eligible. This one is incorrect. The central assistance under this scheme is at the rate of 3,000 per month per beneficiary. Under the scheme, states have been used to giving matching amounts. This one is also incorrect because Ministry of Rural Development of India has introduced this Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. And under this the old age pension scheme aims to provide social protection to the eligible beneficiaries. In the we look at this scheme in detail. The link will be given in the description, so there you can read the full detail also. This is under the National Social Assistance Program NSAP in 2007. So both these statements are incorrect. Consider the following statements. डायरेक्ट टैक्स की बात हो रही है. डायरेक्ट टैक्स, सो फ्रिंज, इंटरेस्ट, सिक्योरिटी, all these are associated with direct tax. Which one of the following statement is an appropriate description of deflation? Deflation is decrease in the price of goods and service. Which one of the following is treated as artificial currency? ADR is an American depository receipt which represents ownership in the share of a non-US company that trades in US financial market. GDR is a global depository receipt, and SDR is a special drawing rights. It is an international type of monetary reserve currency by IMF. So SDR is the artificial currency. Special drawing rights. With reference to India, consider the following statements. WPI in India is available on a monthly basis only. As compared to CPI for industrial workers, the WPI gives less weight to food articles. So this one is incorrect. Because it is not on monthly basis, it is on weekly basis. In the context of Indian economy, consider the following. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Term and most appropriate description. Meltdown, fall in stock price. No. Recession, fall in growth rate. This one is correct. Slowdown, fall in GDP. This one is also correct. So second and third are correct. Actually, meltdown follows normally a black swan event and quickly results in financial assets losing in value, often resulting in liquidity crisis. The stock market in India suffered meltdown from Sensex 20,000 in 2008 to 10,000 in mid 2009. That was meltdown. In the context of governance, consider the following. Which of the above can be used as measures to control the fiscal deficit in India? Fiscal deficit measure करने के लिए down seizing and selling the share of PSUs. With reference to Indian economy, consider the following statements. The GDP has increased by 4 times in the last 10 years. The percentage share of public sector in GDP has declined in the last 10 years. ये ज़रूर सही है. India is regarded as a country with demographic dividend. This is due to the high population in the age group of 15 to 64. Which one of the following is not feature of VAT? VAT being a tax on sale or purchase of goods within a state, and it is a state subject. VAT is a state subject. State list of 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Since VAT or sale tax is a state subject, the central government has been playing the role of a facilitator for successful implementation of VAT. So D is the correct answer. Karl Marx explains the process of class struggle with the help of which one of the following theories? Class struggle as per Karl Marx. So this one, dialectical materialism was His theory of class struggle. All revenues received by the union government by way of tax and other receipt for the conduct of government business are credited to the. These are credited to the Consolidated Fund of India, CFI. A rapid increase in the rate of inflation is sometimes attributed to the base effect. What is this base effect? The base effect is the impact of the price levels of previous year on the calculation of inflation rate. In the context of Indian economic, consider the following statements. The growth rate of GDP has steadily increased in the last 5 years. The growth rate in per capita income has steadily increased in the last 5 years. So the correct answer is both these are incorrect. In India, which of the following have the highest share in the disbursement of credit to agriculture and allied activities? The commercial banks. Which of the following are the methods of parliamentary control over public finance in India? Question is asking correct answer. So this one is correct. Yes, provision of supplementary grants and votes on account is also correct. Mid-year review is incorrect. Financial bill का introduce parliament, this one is correct. First one is the correct answer. The Reserve Bank of India acts as a banker's bank. This would imply which of the following? Other banks retain their deposits with the RBI. Yes. The RBI lends fund to the commercial bank in times of need. Yes, of course. The RBI advised the commercial banks on monetary matters. Yes, it did. So all these statements are correct. In India, deficit financing is used for raising resources for. Deficit finance is actually referred to the difference between expenditure and receipt. So this is for economic development. Priority sector lending by banks in India constitute the lending to agriculture. Yes. Micro and small enterprises. Yes. Weaker section. Yes. So okay, D is the right answer. These three are correct one. Which one of the following groups of item is included in India's foreign exchange reserve? ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो रहा है. ये क्वेश्चन अभी हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. This one is the correct answer. The national income of a country for a given period is equal to the. Money value of final goods and services produced. D is the right answer. Which of the following constitute capital amount? Capital amount देखते हैं आगे. So capital amount comprises of foreign loans, foreign direct investment and portfolio investment. That's why This one is incorrect. Otherwise, first, second, and fourth are correct statements. In the context of Indian economy, open market operations refers to. Open market operations are refers to the purchase and sales of government securities by the RBI. The main objective of the 12th 5-year plan is, जो 12th 5-year plan है वो है 2012 to 17. So faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. The term marginal standing facility rate and net demand and time liabilities, sometimes appearing in news, are used in relation to. So these are relation to banking operations. With reference to Indian economy, consider the following statements. The rate of growth of real gross domestic product has steadily increased in the last decade. The gross domestic product at market price has steadily increased in the last decade. ये क्वेश्चन अभी हमने थोड़े टाइम पहले किया है, ये रिपीट हुआ क्वेश्चन है. दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which one of the following best describe the term merchant discount rate, MDR? MDR is the fee borne by the merchant for using credit and debit card payment system. And to encourage digital transactions, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had announced that from January 1st, 2018 for the next 2 years, it will bear the MDR fees of merchants for payment up to Rs 2000. Such payments is made by debit card, BHIM app or Aadhaar enabled payment system, etc. So C is the correct answer. इसको पढ़ना आप अच्छे से, ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, अभी चल रहा है इसका काफ़ी. With reference to digital payments, consider the following statements. BHIM app allow the users to transfer money to anyone with a UPI enabled bank account. Yes, this one is correct. While a chip pin debit card has 4 factors of authentication, BHIM app has only 2 factors of authentication. देखिए जो चिप पिन वाला होता है उसमें ये नहीं होता है, एक्चुअली ये 2 फैक्टर वाला नहीं होता है और इसमें भी 4 वाला नहीं होता है. सो दिस वन इज इनकरेक्ट. BHIM ऐप में एक्चुअली 3 लेवल ऑफ ऑथेंटिकेशन होता है. और इसमें पिन क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, होता नहीं है 3 पिन चिप पिन, ऐसा नहीं है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लिंक्स ऑल द ATMs इन इंडिया? NPCI. Consider the following statements. The Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Review Committee report has recommended a debit to GDP ratio of 60% for the general government by 2023, comprising 40% for the central government and 20% for the state governments. So this one is correct. The central government has domestic liability of 21% of GDP as compared to the 49%. This one is incorrect. बिकॉज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जो लाइबिलिटी होती है वो 46% होती है. एंड थर्ड वन इज करेक्ट. Consider the following items. Which of the above item are exempted under GST? GST में नहीं आते हैं. ये थोड़ा क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में नहीं आ रहा है, जब आप PDF डाउनलोड करोगे तो वहाँ से देख लेना इसको, ये थोड़ा कुछ करेक्शन है। Despite being a high saving economic capital formation may not result in significant increase in output due to high capital output ratio. Which of the following is not included in the assets of a commercial bank? के asset नहीं है, commercial bank के deposits are not asset of commercial banks. In the context of India, which of the following factors are contributors to reduce the risk of currency crisis? The foreign currency earning of India's IT sector, yes. Increasing the government expenditure, no. Remittance from Indian abroad, okay. देखिए ये अभी पार्ट फर्स्ट ये इकोनॉमी का, इसके बाद और भी पार्ट्स आएंगे, इसलिए आप इसको सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा। द चेयरमैन ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स आर सेलेक्टेड बाय द, जो PSU के चेयरमैन हैं वो सेलेक्ट होते हैं BBB बैंक बोर्ड ब्यूरो, और ये जो बैंक बोर्ड ब्यूरो है इट वाज सेटअप इन 2016। Consider the following statements. Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board is the first regulatory board set up by the government of India. One of the tasks of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board is to ensure competitive markets for gas. Appeals against the decision go before the appellate tribunals of electricity. And question is asking correct one, so this one is correct, so second one is the no, तो गलत हो गया, this one is incorrect. Second and third statements are correct, first is incorrect, because the petroleum actually SEBI was formed in 1988 by an executive order and given a statutory status is in 1992. So this was not the first regulatory body, SEBI was the first one. The Reserve Bank of India's recent directives relating to storage of payment system data, popularly known as data dictate command of the payment system, providers that ये RBI की डायरेक्टिव है एक्चुअली, एज पर RBI डायरेक्टिव पेमेंट सिस्टम प्रोवाइडर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टोर द डेटा इन इंडिया ओनली, अदर फीचर्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड बाय RBI. So this one is the correct answer. What is the importance of the term interest coverage ratio of a firm in India? ICR. देखिए मैंने कहा था आपको ये जो क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं 90 से अब तक के सारे क्वेश्चन न्यू NCERT से हैं. अगर आप इसको इस 96 क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा NCERT 12th क्लास की न्यू NCERT की बुक में, जो अकाउंटेंसी बुक है उसमें मिल जाएगा। It helps evaluating the risk of a firm that a bank is going to give a loan to. The higher borrowing firm's level of interest coverage ratio, the worse is its ability to service its debt. This one is incorrect. With reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. Commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory notes. This one is correct. Question is asking correct. Certificate of deposit is a long-term instrument issued by the RBI to a corporation. Actually, certificate of deposit is short-term debit instrument. Call money is a short-term finance used for interbank transactions. This one is correct. Zero coupon bonds are the interest-bearing short-term bond issued by scheduled commercial banks to corporations. No, this one is incorrect. In the context of the Indian economy, non-financial debt includes which of the following? Question is asking non-financial debt. Housing loans out by households. This one is correct. Amounts outstanding on credit cards. This one is correct. Treasury bills. This one is also correct one. These are non-financial debts. सो ये पार्ट फर्स्ट था. इसके बाद इकोनॉमी के जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट हैं पॉवर्टी है, ये अभी बाकी है पॉवर्टी एरिया, तो ये नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कवर किया जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. गुड लक.